Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Fantom price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now fully maximized its minimum target area, in a breakdown move that has now given us a low at around the $0.3487 mark. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.5338 mark. And in the formation of this wave 2, which is a corrective wave, and we also expected to see an ABC corrective structure also play out. On the charts, you can see that I'm terming this as the wave A. Then we saw the formation of that wave B, and we have seen that one more leg down in the formation of that wave C. And after seeing our breakdown over here, we have seen a chart pattern that is in formation, where you can see that we have a common bottom at around the $0.3571 mark, and this has now resulted to the formation of a double bottom, where we can term these as the first bottom. Then we saw the formation of the neckline, then the second bottom, and there are chances that in case we start seeing a bit of a recovery, continue gearing up, see a break above the 20-day MA on the 4-hour chart, act as support for us to continue gearing up, there are high chances that we are going to see the breakout out of this chart pattern to the upper side. And this is a chart pattern that breaks to the upper side, having the minimum target area of the breakout being given by the height between the neckline and the bottom. And we can get that height and then place it above the neckline, giving me a minimum target area at around the $0.427 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Fantom to do in case we continue gearing up and see a breakout out of this chart pattern to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis, first give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to also give you my analysis basing it on the Elliot structures, where you can now see that we have fully maximized our minimum retrace in the formation of this wave 2, and that now means that there are high chances that Fantom might start gearing up in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3. And assuming that Fantom is not going to give us one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2, we can get a minimum target area in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.7167 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Fantom to do here on the short-term scenarios. And also giving you my long-term outlook here on the Fantom chart, basing it on this Elliot structure that I have right here in yellow, where you can see that after seeing our low down there, we started this massive bounce to the upside, where we saw that 5-wave structure to the upside, giving us a peak at around the $0.67 mark, and also completed the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 in a move that was able to bottom in within this yellow target area, which was the minimum retracement area for that second wave. And having seen the formation of that wave 2, whatever we expected on the long-term scenarios was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I have also been expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And that's the reason as to why I have this Elliot wave structure in blue, which has just given me the short-term scenarios, where we have now seen the low for this second wave and we are now ready for that pump in the formation of that wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI. We are trading at around the 33 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross suggesting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.